Hey guys, how you doing today? Today we're really excited because we have an unboxing. And it's not just because we have an unboxing, which I've always wanted these. This is a WL Toys 959b. It's supposed to be the really fast one too. I think it's in green. But we got this car for free. I mean, I've always kind of wanted one. I was like, I always had other things to spend my money on. So I just never got one. And we got it for free. That's nuts, isn't it? We won it in a giveaway contest not too long ago. But we're going to leave a link in the description below of where you can buy one of these if you'd like to have one yourself. Alright, so let's get on with unboxing this thing. Now the YouTube channel that we won this from was Over Budget RC. You guys need to go check him out. He's got some really cool videos and some really interesting stuff on there. I'll put a link in the description below so you can also go check his channel out. And it's really cool that he did a giveaway and actually gave it away. There's a lot of guys that are like, hey, we're going to do a giveaway, and you never hear of a winner. You never hear anything else after that. So he's a real stand-up kind of guy. Alright, here we go. Oh wow, that is nice. Okay, first thing that we have is there's a charger and a little toolkit right here with instructions. Pretty basic stuff. Have you seen one of these before?
No, I have not. That's pretty cool.
That is cool, isn't it? That looks so good.
It almost looks like a June bug.
It looks so good. I want to get this out of here without turning it up. Okay. There we go. Move that box for me. Thank you.
Just put it up.
Look at that. Man, that looks so cool. Let's go ahead and get this thing cut out of here. So check that out. That looks so cool. It's so small. I believe this is an 18th scale. Isn't that what the box says? 18th scale?
Let's see. Yes.
Yep, 18th scale. So, what do we have in here? Oh, I figured we were missing something in here. Oh no, let's not tear something up. Maybe. Yep.
Maybe we have to cut
That'd
the
be why.
tape.
Yep, there's another strip right here. We'll have to cut real quickly. There we go.
Aggressive. That was aggressive.
It was a little aggressive. We'll go a little Kevin Tower on some people. Oh man, I can tell you, that is a good feeling controller right there too. Check it out.
Can I see it?
Yeah, nice spongy foam wheel. It's got steering trim controls and throttle trim controls. But yeah, we'll have to charge this thing up and go for a ride. Okay, let's take a closer look. You have your battery. Man, this thing is jam-packed full. I mean, you can't get anything else in here. Springs look pretty good. I mean, they look a little weak, but I think probably put some thicker fluid in there or whatever. But I mean, I believe these things cost right around $80 or $90, which isn't as bad. But I mean, they're supposed to go like 70 kilometers an hour, which is like 40 miles an hour or something like that, which is a lot for such a little bitty vehicle. Battery straps in. Nice grippy tires. Big old fat motor for such a little vehicle. We want to say thanks to Over Budget RC for this giveaway car that we won. You're definitely going to see it in a future video. We're going to find some things to do with this. I've actually got a couple ideas already. One of them's really good. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.
See ya.